This is the Gustav connection, which is String here. We are moments away from our fight against Brandon's dad Gary. With myself.
Stand up.
I can't.
Go on, up here. Here we go. Do it aside. People can see. This is the machine.
We're the 3.0.
3.0. Alright. Right, so, as you know, we're moments away from getting killed.
Well, after the match, we'll probably do a video about how it went.
Maybe you'll have a video of us getting beaten up, maybe. Which would be quite cool. It's only on one leg because we ran out of pillows.
We're going to play Annihilation.
Yeah, let's play Annihilation. There's Yoshi. He's cool. Try to hold Yoshi. Oh, perfect landing. Yeah, well, so that's about it.
She's there.
Got collared. Disappointing. See you later. Say bye.
Bye.